the United States Air Force has worked hard to create and field the world's best fighter aircraft. Those aircraft rely on millions of lines of code that unlock the ability for them to dominate any challengers and maintain American air dominance. However, antiquated software acquisitions processes put that dominance at risk. We must act now to accelerate our software development and deliver capability at the speed of relevance. Project Fox, or the Fighter Optimization Experiment, provides a transformative way to accelerate the delivery of new software capabilities to our aircraft while dramatically decreasing the costs. These improvements are accomplished by connecting a commercial off-the-shelf tablet that is data secured to aircraft data systems with a universal government interface that puts the aircraft data into a common format. This allows America's best developers to create applications that are portable across platforms and have real test, training, and tactical benefits. This construct will enable the paradigm-shifting changes we need. By enabling portability, the Air Force will be able to fund the development of new and improved aircraft applications just once, not separately for each airframe. Funding could then be pooled from multiple programs across the DoD. Portability of developed software also allows new or updated software capabilities to be deployed across all aircraft as soon as they're ready, rather than sequentially after lengthy platform-specific test programs. Project Fox enables software to be matured much more rapidly through flight test by segmenting the developmental code from an aircraft's operational code. As a result, changes can be made rapidly without impacting the airworthiness of the aircraft, taking the time required for testing cycles and software updates from months to days. Soon, the most technologically advanced companies in America will be able to showcase their software applications on actual aircraft with actual message traffic before being purchased. This will enable the Air Force to pair the right application development talent to the right app while dramatically decreasing acquisitions risk. We are paving the way for a DoD app store filled with cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, cyber defense, and man-to-man teaming, where any platform can download the software application tools they need when they need it. We are preparing in the next few months to demonstrate these crucial improvements by running an application designed and tested on the F-35 that assists with the evasion of enemy surface-to-air missile sites on the F-22 with no redevelopment required. But this is only the start. We are working to make this a reality on any platform that can connect to their data. To advance this crucial change to our software acquisitions, we need $1.2 million to demonstrate portable apps across 5th-gen fighters, third-party applications on the Raptor, as well as establish the pathway needed to begin developing our future capabilities. This investment will establish the self-sustaining software path we need for the future, enabling future modernization appropriations to flow through this cheaper and faster pipeline. Project Fox will give us the tools we need to continue to uphold the legacy of American air dominance, cutting-edge software capabilities delivered fast and efficiently for the warfighter.